Hello, how are you? I hope everyone is doing fine. Here's another trick of how to make money online. Just go to this website called super superpay.me and then say go. Okay, it's gonna land you on this page. As you can see, payout instant from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto. You can read the rest for yourself. As you can see, claim your free join bonus today. Okay, I already have an account, so if I want to log in, I'll just press log in here. For you, as you're new, you're gonna press join today. Join today. They're gonna show you this. I'm gonna fill up your name, first name, last name, username, password again, and then order to show that since I use truly, so that you don't forget, those basic things. Yeah, the registration is really easy. It's gonna take about 30 seconds to write. Personalized, you wanna know where you live, all this kind of stuff. It's very easy. Okay, let me show you the juicy things that everybody's waiting for. The inside of what is happening inside the internet. This website. Uh, yeah, to show you. Yeah. Just gonna go here and log in because I'm already registered. Remember. Okay, the servers are here. Make money with paid servers and rewards on our full get help. View your references. Okay, redeem your credit, all this kind of stuff. Points, cash out, withdraw cash, and 25% more with yeah, you're gonna see a lot of these things. Also, it depends on which one you have the time for. For example, we have time for checkout that when you was get paid $20 to share TikTok videos about super pay meme. Yeah, you can earn. You see, you can have money with just making videos also on TikTok. Okay, and then I'll press here for reference. You can reference more people here. You see what it gives you. Share your reference link or browser below with family, friends on social media, or use as advertisement on other social. For every new reference you bring in, you will earn 25% off everything they earn. You have zero. Yeah, this is a new account, as you can see. This one I did it just for you guys so that you can see it. You see it. Okay, these are the things. So yeah, I think this is just all you need for this website. It's very easy to use. It's user friendly, I won't lie. Yep, there's your details, rewards, payments, contact. You can log out if you want here. Yeah, that's it all. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. I hope you use it for great respect. Like, yeah.